Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SOP video update for Monday 22 of August. And I'm looking at SOP right now. We are making some very ugly patterns right now. It's looking super bad. On the weekly, we are making this sort of a bear flag once again. And the last time we made the very same bear flag was up here. So you went to the downside like this, we moved sideways, made a bear flag, and it actually went to this technical target. And then we had a huge rally to the upside. So if I zoom out of everything, okay, I would just want to go for the bird's view at the moment. And the bird view still says that ask yourself this question: what is the trend? Okay, so what is the trend of SOP right now? So the trend of SOP is a downtrend, ladies and gentlemen, because you do have this high and a lower high and a lower high, and then again another lower high and another lower high. Okay, so this is your low here, a lower low, a lower low, and another lower low, and you're looking to put in another lower low and basically another higher low. Okay, so it is a downtrend right now, and I don't know if it's actually trying to print a some sort of a channel. So that's actually bringing this big resistance line right over there. So that's a resistance that I do see is valid, and this is a trend line that we're looking for. And we'll talk about the lower trend line, guys. So you might be looking for SOP to basically drop to these levels, and I'm going to try to figure out if this is a channel of some sort of what, which I do kind of think it's a very big channel to the downside. So we do have a hint of when SOP is ever going to break out, and I think this is when SOP might be breaking up. So you do have this touch right over there, this right over here, that one right over there, this resistance up here, and this recent resistance that you have. And if you're looking to drop down, then you're looking to come down maybe again to these levels again, right? So you're gonna come to 0.0013, and that's actually a technical target, to be honest with you. This line right over here is a technical target, and it's a 74% drop from the current prices that we have. If you do go to the lowest part of the channel, you can already see that's actually 7 degrees, 74%. And you see that's the support line of the channel. So one touch here, second touch right there, third and fourth here, fifth one right there, sixth one right over here. We're looking for that 7 and 8 right over there, and then probably move back up to 0.00155. And if you do actually make some entry down here, that can actually be still 97% move to the upside. This is something that I can take in my signals trade as well. The signals entry is also open, so check the link in the description of the video on how to join. Super cheap, $10 per month. I think that's a steal for all this research that I'm doing for you. So get to know when we're buying or selling, because we never got effectively what Bitcoin really did when Bitcoin was dumping. We already sold back when Bitcoin was at $24,000, and it's trading at 20,000K right now. So that's pretty much it for this quick update on SOP. Hope you enjoyed this analysis on the weekly. I'm going to see you in the next one. For the office.